AI will automatically penalise women. With femtech, it is supposed to be helpful towards women. It's supposed to make your life better. It's normally created by women for women. It's to monitor your periods, your fertility, to enhance your life. And what I found in the report is that femtech has been used negatively by employers. For example, they'll see that you're wearing a fertility tracking instrument and they will automatically assume you're tracking your fertility, you're trying to have a child, you're likely going to go on maternity leave at some point, and then you're discredited for promotions. And then you bring in an additional risk of AI, particularly with synthetic material being created. For example, women are being harassed with deep fakes, but then there's no repercussions for the abuser. It falls on the woman, and more likely or not, she will lose her job, particularly if you're a school teacher. Even if it's proven fake, teachers, governors, students may have seen you, you will still likely lose your job because your reputation has been tainted, and there's no repercussions for the person that's done this to you, and there's no specific AI policies within sexual harassment documents within workplaces, and I think now is the time to get them in there while we still can, to protect the women in the workforce.